So let's start discussion using the JavaScript operators. So first of all, the first point that already we have seen that there are various kinds of operator in JavaScript are there. So what are the various types of operators? Starting from arithmetic operator, with that relational operator is there, as well as few assignment operator are there, various kinds of operator. So already we have discussed few kinds of simply arithmetic operator, and before that we know that if you want to use any JavaScript code, then we have to enclose under the script tag. We have to write under the script tag, script element, script opening closing. And there are few more things are we have discussed, that if you want to display anything, either we can use document.write, then it will come on the HTML screen or web page. There are another way, alert. So in that case it will show the HTML alert version. And there are a few more ways that already we have discussed. So today I'm continuing again, restarting from this variable part, and continuously discussing the whole type, all the types of operator. The first things, just if we want to declare any type of variable, in that case we have to use this var keyword. This is a keyword. Simply when we are writing any keyword, I have discussed that the meaning of those word cannot be changed. Those are kind of reserved word, sorry, those are kind of reserved word. Those meaning cannot be altered or changed. So like that only, var is a kind of keyword through which we can declare any variable. So how many types of, what are the different types of variable or money, what are the different kinds of value or can be stored in a variable? Just like if we write first of all var a comma b comma c, this point is called actually variable declaration. This point is called variable declaration. That means just I am declaring the variables. And if you are declaring the variables, again you no need to write the var, just you write simply a b c in this way. And c equals to, suppose here I am writing a plus b. If we suppose this use more kind of variable d, then here I have used x and y. So in that case also you no need to write the var keyword again and again, since you have declared those variables beforehand. Now let me tell the meaning. Simply here you can see this equal to operator is there, one equal to symbol is there. This equal to is basically called the assignment operator, you can say. Just I'm writing under a comment line. Just here only I'm writing equal to. This equal to is assignment operator. Assignment operator. This is used to assign any value, but always remember, just like simply if I ask as per normal mathematics, can we write or not that a, if a equals to 10, so then we can write 10 equals to a also, there is no harm as per mathematics. But as per this programming language concept, this is not possible. So this will generate one error, or this will cause error. So whenever any assignment take place, that means when we are trying to store any value, so obviously we have to store the value from right to left onwards. That means right side your value or expression will be there, and from that side left side value should be stored. That means here you can see a is in the left side where I am storing value 10, 20 is in the right side, and then I am storing b. And already I mentioned that after writing each statement you should place one semicolon or terminator. That will suggest the browser or simply compiler that it is the end of the statement. That is the end of the statement. These are executable statement that will execute and give some result. So obviously we have to place one semicolon. Now, what are the different kinds of operator we have used? This is simply arithmetic plus or mathematical plus symbol, or addition, multiplication. This is simply division. And here it is quite special. That is remainder operator. Remainder means the remainder when we divide any number, just like a few example I have shown here. 5% 2. So 2 divided 5 divided by 2. so remainder will be 1. But when we are dividing 6 by 2, remainder will be 0. And but it is special also here. If we divide any small number by a larger number, just like 2% 6, so always remainder will be 2. Just like in the, if we take another example also, for example 10 uh, percent 120, so what will be the answer? Answer will be 10. This point always we have to remember. Now since we are just displaying this kind of values, we can display using document.write method. So document.write here a, just like we are displaying a. After that we are placing one br tag, but you can see one difference with normal br and here we have used under the double quotes. Why? Since we are using this document.write method. If we do not use the document.write, that means if you want to display the thing, since it is under the simply it is under particular script tag, so that's why we cannot use it. Tell me, any problem is coming? Network is okay now? Anybody just reply in the chat or tell me any network issues? I think everything is okay now. Okay, okay. Problem is coming. Okay, okay. Thank you. Just I'm asking. Last day we have faced a lot of problems. So let's see what I was discussing. That if we want to display any value, that we can write using the write method, document dot write, and after that we have to place the variable or value, and after that if we want to place any type of tag, then we have to place under the double quotes, just like a b c d x we have this displayed here x, and let's discuss display the y also, just like simply I will copy this line of code, and then I will display the y. Last day we have discussed the console, that what is the use of console. If we want to run the console, then F12 we have to write. So again it is displayed. I'm just removing all kinds of things here, all the extra things I'm just removing. So let's see, let's run the web page, and after that we'll discuss once again. Here we can see different values are showing, just like 10, 20, 30, 200, 0.5, 10. So already I have mentioned, as per the when we will use the remainder operator or simply the percentage operator, then obviously the value will come as a remainder. The value will be the remainder. Just like you can see here, the value of a is 10 and value of b is 20. So when a smaller number is divided by a larger number, so in that case the smaller number will be the remainder. For example, if we simply uh, use a equals to 5, so let's see, for other operator you can easily understand, try to understand, or if any doubt is coming, ask me. In case of this remainder operator, can anybody tell the answer? What will be the answer for this y? If I change the value of a as 105, what will be the value of y? Yes, y value will be 5. So let's rerun it again. Here you can see the value is coming 5. Other rest values are normal general things. So this is one kind of operator we have used. So now just what I will do, I will simply I will not remove all this code. I'm just using one slash star and star slash for multi-line comment, and within this comment section I'm keeping each and everything, and just I'm taking a simple copy of this work. Okay, so now I'm just I will show another kind of operator. So let's see. First of all, I'm just taking a copy of this kind of things. I'm just taking few two values only, a, b, after this part, after this area. So here I am taking and I am just displaying this display method or display area, so that I don't need to write the value again and again or type the value. So now let's see what I will do next. So next type of operator that I will show you here, you can see that relational operator. Relational operator. First, I have shown that what are the arithmetic, basic arithmetic operator. Now we'll discuss about the relational operator. Now, what is relational operator? Actually, the relational operator relate between two values or variables. That means what? For example, if I ask that, if I tell the simply just randomly I'm writing 5 greater than 2, what will be your answer? Yes or no? Or simply is it true or false? Is it? It will be true simply. Yeah. If we write simply 5 equal to 2, so obviously it will be false. So if we want to check through a language or programming language, then how we can do? So that means I want to check the relation between two values or two variables, because later on using the if else construct, that means the conditional approach program, we have to use this kind of operator. So beforehand we have to understand the meaning of these operators. So for the purpose I'm just changing few value. Okay, let me display the later. That means let it be here. Okay, so first of all I'm taking two variables, just like where a equals to, let it be simply 5, let it be 5, and b equals to, let it be 6. Now various kinds of operator I will use. So first I will use, suppose c equals to, here I am writing c equals to a greater than b. So here what will happen, already we have stored the value of a, already we have stored the value of b. Here we have to use the there one. So if we do a greater than b, so what will be the result of c? C will store the actual execution value, and then it will be shown on the screen. So let's see, I've saved the things and let's run the code once. So you can see here, you can see what is coming answer. What is the answer is coming? The false. Why false? Because here I have used the value of a is 5, value of b is 6. Now when I am writing c equals to a greater than b, so obviously 5 is not greater than 6. So that's why the answer is coming false. Now on the next line, if we write another operator, just like c equals to a less than b, if we write c equals to a less than b semicolon, here also semicolon should be there. Without semicolon it will work when we are changing the line or giving space, but it is better, a good practice to use the semicolon. Now here I am writing c equals to a less than b. So simply just like we can see 5 is less than 6, so in this case it will give us true. It will give us simply the value true. So next few more operators we can use, just like this is the second one. Now suppose if we want to check the equality of these two operators, so what I can write, c equals to, here is the quite special thing. If we want to check the equality of these two operators, so instead of single equal to, here we'll use double equal to. Instead of single equal to, here we have to use the double equal to symbol. Means what? That when we are using the simple single equal to symbol, it is used to assign some value, that means used to store some value. But when we are using double equal to symbol, so in that case it will check the relationship between two operators, that whether these two operators are or operands are same or not. So in this case, what will be the answer? What should be the answer? Answer should be just like, okay, let me save it. Let me save it. Now if we check, here answer is coming false. So why the answer is coming false? Because we can see the value of a and b are different. But if we suppose complete book, complete. Whatever topic will be taught till January, complete things will come. So regarding syllabus, you will get it will be notified. So just bother about what we are doing now. So suppose C here we have stored the value of A is 5. Now value of B is also 5. Now what will be the value of C if we write A equal to B, double equal to B? In that case, since we have changed the value to the same, so that's why it will give us true value. It will give us true value, true. So this is called actually the relational operator. Some more relational, greater than, equals to. What are the different relational operator are there? Already we have discussed. Greater than is there, less than is there, equal to is there, greater than equal to is there, less than equal to is there, and obviously not equal to is there. This is called not equal to. Not equal to. Not equal to means what? If you want to check that whether two values are not equal to each other, so in that case we can use the not equal to. Just like here we can write A not equal to, I'm just writing not equal to B. If it is really not equal to each other, then it will give us true, otherwise it will give us false. So here it is giving us false. That means they are equal, that's why it is giving us false result. So these are kind of relational operator. Now we'll go for the next kind of operator. Next kind of operator is basically in programming language, it is called shorthand operator. Sorry, shorthand operator, or sometimes it is associated with assignment operator also. Actually, it is kind of assignment operator, but sometimes specifically it is called shorthand operator. Now, why it is called shorthand operator? So that we'll understand. Suppose, let me show the things with complete one example. Here I am declaring one variable var a. So var a comma b. For example, I am taking two variables. Now here I am writing simply document dot write. Within that, if we display simply a, since you can see no values are inserted or stored inside the b, so let's see what will be the result. Let me now close all this part. Those part we have covered, so that any other things will not display in the screen. So till this part I have enclosed within slash star star slash. What is this slash star star slash is called? Can anybody tell? These are the kind of simple short question. Slash star star slash. What is this called? But which type of comment, Simran? You are right, but which kind of comment? Which kind of comment it is? Which kind of comment? Anybody? Anybody is there? Esha, what will be the kind of comment called? It is called multi-line comment. Slash star double slash is called single line comment. Single line comment. And slash star, just like whatever we write, slash star and under star slash, it is called actually multi-line comment. Multi-line comment. Okay, remember these 2 points, all of you. So now the situation is there. Here we are using shorthand operator. So first of all, here I am written var a and b, but I have not declared any value of var a or b, and then I am displaying the document dot write a. So let's see what will be the answers or what will be the output in the screen. So you can see undefined. What is coming here? Undefined. Why this word is coming? Because the values, because I have declared the variables, but I have not defined any value. Defined any value means I have not stored any constant value or any value inside the variable. That's why this message is coming. This is not kind of error. This is not an error, you can say. It is a kind of simply programming methodology problem. That means where you want to do some work. For example, here I am declared the variable a and b. Now suppose I am taking variable c and just writing a plus b. So what c will do? C can't do anything because no value is assigned for a and b. So for that purpose, it is giving us this undefined output. So this is only this is one version, but this is not the shorthand operator. Just I showed this as an extra example or extra concept. Now let's come to the shorthand operator. First of all, we have declared the value of a and b, simply declared two variables. Now suppose I am taking value of a is 10. Value of a is 10. Now after that, if we write document dot write a, simply now a will be displayed as 10. There is no issue. Now if we write here a equal to a plus 1, so what is the meaning of these things? What will be the meaning of these things? A equal to a plus 1. So this means that value of a earlier it was 10. Now within the same value 1 will be added and the new value will be stored again in a. Again I am repeating myself. Suppose a equals to 10 is there, initial value is 10, then next line is a equal to a plus 1. So means what? Whatever value, current value is there of a, it will be added with 1 and the new value again it will be stored in a. That means what? The current value will be the old value will be replaced or substituted by the new updated value. So this is one kind of operation we can do. Now let's see, first of all, let's see the output. What is the new output is coming? And to prove these things, let me just copy paste this document or write into this place also. That means what it will show? First it will show the current value or last value of a. Then after updation also it will show the new value. So let's see. Let's run it. Here you can see, here I have not used any break statement. That's why in the same line it is coming. Let's give the break statement. Here I'm just keeping under the, here I'm giving break statement. So let's again rerun this code. Here you can see for initial value of a was 10 and final value of a was 11. So first 10 has came, then 1 is added to a, so 11. In place of 1, anything you can add, just like a equals to a plus 5 also if you write. So just like 5 will be added to it, 10 and 15 is coming. Now the thing is that what is shorthand operator? In place of this a equal to a plus 5, we can simply write a plus equal to 5. A plus equal to 5. That means what? We no need to write the complete statement that a equal to a plus 5. In that place only simply we can write a plus equal to 5. So what compiler or what the web page will understand, this is a simple updation is going on within the a only. That means a is to be added with 5. The same result will come. So let's see. Let's refresh the page. Here you can see no changes are coming. 10 and 15. On the same way, I am showing with plus operator. With any other operator also it can show. It can be used. For example, suppose let me take another value for b. So let me take b equals to 20 and then I will again display the value of b, the initial value of b. For example, here I am showing the initial value of b first of all. Here it is the value of b, and at last then we'll do one simply shorthand operation with b. So now we'll do the simply multiply operation. So b slash equal to asterisk equal to 5. So what will happen? B, what is the full form or what is the expanded form? Expanded form will be b equal to b asterisk 5. The meaning of this line, b equal to b into 5. So let's see again if we display the things here, if we display it again b. So let's see what is the changes are coming. Here we have to use one break statement. Here you can see the b earlier was 20, so 20 is multiplied with 5, so that's why 100 is coming. So tell me any doubt is coming in this shorthand operator. Here you can see in your document, that is in our PDF, where you can find the same kind of operator. In the same way, for any other arithmetic operator also you can do the same operation. Let me show the area where you can get the examples, or you can go through the things here. Here you can see all the page number will be in the PDF 80, page 80. This is called shorthand operator, but actually it is comes under assignment operator. That's why it is written under assignment operator only. For any operator, it can work like that only, just like plus equal to, minus equal to, asterisk equal to, slash equal to, and percent equal to, any kind of operator. So in this way, it will find the result. So this is called shorthand operator. Now, two very special operator is there. Okay, we are running with the time, so let it be up to here only. Tomorrow will discuss, or if I do another separate video, so I will assign all the topic there. So tell me up to this part if any doubt is there on this operator part, because few more operators are there. We have to discuss. So tomorrow I will discuss with those operator. If any doubt is there in this part, dear student, if any doubt is there, ask. Okay. Oh, Santu, you are there. Okay, okay, good. Okay. Then ending the session. Okay, okay.